Hey, this is Dragon Feather, and this is part 3 of my 4-part Elemental Magic series. Today we'll be working with water, which is a medium speed elemental magic to work with. It's more of on the slower side, air being moving really fast and water moving more at a slower pace. And I'm going to show you 3 different types. The first one you'll need a bowl of water for. And the other one you can do at a beach, and you're going to need to find a seashell, or a rock. And you can do the one with the rock at any river, any ocean, or any body of water. Alright, so the first one is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to write whatever you want on it, and then you're going to fold it up, fold it up. And if you decide to do this inside your house, then yes, you can use pieces of paper. But if you do it outside, this particular type outside, try and find a really moist leaf and write your message on that instead, because it won't be littering. Alright, so here you have your bowl of water, and once you use blessed water, you can use moon water, you can use any water that has a certain type of property, and you're going to take it and you're just going to go like this. And if you're doing it inside your house, what you're going to do is you're going to completely submerge it. You can kind of see it like right there. You're going to completely submerge this, and you're going to leave it in there for a while, like a while. You're going to leave it in there until it starts to break apart. And this is what I mean by water is one of the slower elements to work with. Because it takes so long for paper to dissolve in water in your home. But it will be a little faster if you do it in nature. The second one is if you find a shell like this, you can really use any shell, a broken shell, whatever. And what you're going to do, see, this is my magical Sharpie is what I call it. Anyway, I call it my magic marker. Anyway, so you're going to take it and you're just going to write your message on it. I'm not actually going to write on the shell because I use it for decoration. But you're going to write your message on the shell with your Sharpie. And then you're going to write either your magical name or just sincerely your student, or sincerely, you know, whatever you want to call yourself. Or I would suggest not writing any names, because if anyone finds the shell, you don't want anyone to know or be like, what the hell? So, yes. Alright, and what you're going to do after that is you're going to take it, after you find it, and you're going to throw it back in the ocean. And it's also a symbol of giving back to the earth, like taking something, using it, and then sending it back, hopefully for prosperity. The same thing goes with the rock. You're going to try and find the smoothest rock you can, you know, with the most surface you can, depending on how big you want to write either your spell or your wish. These are when you write on a shell, it's normally called a wishing shell, and you write your wish on it and then throw it back into the ocean. But with rocks, it's more of like a spell. So, because shells are harder to find, so that's why they're more associated with wishing, just so you guys know. And then you're gonna, you know, write your message on it, whatever. I'm really not gonna write on it because I actually think this rock is awesome. So you're going to, once you write on it, you're also going to throw it back in the ocean. Pretty much the same thing as giving back. And so on and so forth. Any questions about water magic? Hopefully I covered it all. I kind of went through it a little fast. Let me think. There is a couple things about water magic that you guys probably should know. The first one is, well, obviously it's one of the slower elements to work with. It's also an element great for like love spells or spells that have to do with emotion or change, because you know, the personality of water. And if you guys notice me talking weird, I have this huge cold sore on my lip and it burns. And not only that, I have a canker sore like right in here, and then I have a sore on my tongue. So yeah, it really sucks. My mouth, if you listen really quietly, you can hear it crying. It's so sad right now. Anyway, I hope this helped, but until next time, blessed be, and bye.